and welcome back. My name is Adam and I'm one of the Virgers here at Winchester Cathedral. Today I'm going to be showing you one of our little behind the scenes videos of tasks that we do once a year here at the Cathedral. Today we will be cleaning the windows of the presbytery aisles. But first, a little introduction about where I'm stood here in the presbytery. Bishop Richard Fox was Bishop of Winchester between 1501 and 1528. Being Keeper of the Seal and Secretary to Kings Henry VII and Henry VIII, he'd had a major influence here at the Cathedral in Winchester, being the responsible for the construction of this marvellous vaulting we see here today, which has undertook major restoration and cleaning in recent years. In 1525, he was also responsible for the work of these screens, which run alongside the presbytery. As well as his chantry chapel, Richard Fox's emblem can be seen in many other places here in the cathedral, most recognisable by the pelican. Throughout the year, these windows get very dirty because of all the incense that we use, so once a year we have to give them a good scrub. If only Richard Fox knew that the Virgers in 500 years' time would be doing this. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you soon.